Feed formulation. Prepare 24% CP broiler starter using the following ingredients: maize, SBM, lysine, methionine, salt, vitamin premix, bone meal, limestone, and enzyme. The solution to this is: number one, list out the ingredients and assign value to additive, or what we call fixed ingredients. Additive value have been predetermined by the experts in the industry. All what you need to do is to work within those values. So the ingredients are listed now, and value assigned to the fixed ingredient. You can see the maize, SBM, the two of them, they don't have value yet. We are going to work it out using the Pearson square method. The lysine, the methionine, the salt, the vitamin premix, the bone meal, limestones, and enzyme, they've been assigned value, and these values are within the range allowed by the experts in the animal production industry. Then you sum up the total of the additives, or what we call the fixed ingredient. The total is 8.2 kg. That is the total value for additives. Then you subtract that from 100 because 100 is the standard. That is the standard of any feed formulation is 100. The total value of additives is 8.2 kg. So that is subtracted from 100 kg, the standard in feed formulation. That is, you get 91.82. This 91.80 rather is the expected value to be shared for maize, expected value for maize and SBM when we eventually work it out. So now you now draw your Pearson square to determine value for maize and SBM. That is what is done here. The value for maize is put on the upper arm of the square, and the 8.9 you are seeing there is the crude protein of maize. Then the SBM, that is the protein ingredient, is put under the square. That is 44. That is the CP, the crude protein for SBM. The required, the expected crude protein of the formula of the ration of the diet is placed at the center of the square, and the subtraction is done diagonally. Ignore negative signs. Don't put value, don't put negative sign on any value you get on the other side, because that is the rule in Pearson square. So the subtraction is done. 8.9 minus 24, you get 15.1. Then you 44 minus 24, you get 20. 20 plus 15.1, you have 35.1. Then to determine the value for each ingredient, quantity of each ingredient now for two of them, maize, you say 20. The exchange of value here, you can see this arrow. Any value you get from protein side become that of the energy. Any value you get from the energy side become that of the protein. So you take the 20 in front of the maize here to be 20 over the total of the two subtraction. What you get from the two subtraction, the sum of them is 35.1. So you have 20 over 35.1 times 91.80 or 91.8. 91.8 is the value you got from 100 minus 8.2. That is the value, the total value of the additive of each ingredient minus the standard in feed formulation, which is 100. So from here, you now get SBM 15. That is so okay. Maize now 20 over 35.1 times 91.80. You get 52.31 kg. That is the value for maize in this formula. Then you come to SBM. SBM 15.1 over 35.1 times 91.8 equals to 39.49 kg. What you now do now is to now rewrite your formula. Now you have value based on the previous calculation, or just the calculation we just did. You have value for maize as 52.31 kg, value for SBM 39.42 kg, lysine 0.25 kg, methyl 9, and all others. And when you sum everything up, you get 100 kg. Thank you very much.